Hello, coffee fans. Yeah, we're gonna go for a ride today. It's supposed to be 60 plus degrees, about 63, I think, is where it's supposed to end up. So we got Cousin Rob on ZZR, Tyler on a Jigsaw, and we're going to meet up with Cousin Brent up in Pemberville, Ohio. We're currently in Arcadia, Ohio. That house right there is where I grew up. Go up to Pemberville, meet up with Brent, and then we're going to head up to, or over to, Bowling Green, Ohio, to a coffee shop called Flatlands Coffee. These are the kind of roads I most generally think about when I think of Northwest Ohio. We do have some curvy roads, but this is a lot of what we got right here. Straight, narrow, 6 to 8, 10-foot ditch on the side. Ooh, an old truck, about a 78, 79, I think. I like that style Ford. I do. You do not want to fall in the ditch. I can't imagine what kind of a mess you'd be in if you rode down in that 60 mile an hour. Probably dead, unless you was a lucky sucker. I am excited about the ride out of Pemberville, because that is curvy road. It's good road. Route 105. Hello.
Hey, are you here yet? Are you in Pemberville yet?
I'm at the Pemberville Library.
Where's that at? On Front Street?
Yes it is. 375 Front Street. Are you on the other side of that train?
I'm on Front Street, but I'm clear out by 105.
Oh. It'd be windy here in Pemberville. You can't park them together? What the heck? You fit a whole nother bike in there. Well, I mean, you don't have to. You can be the odd man on the bike. And was you going to take a nap? I said, were you about to take a nap while you waited?
I was shining. I was getting all warmed up. Like, ooh, it's a snap.
Tyler's bike is filthy. You gotta wash that thing once in a while, man. I guess I'm the leader. I gotta go, huh? guess there's a dealership up here. He wanted to go check out a truck. Ain't got time for all that. Alright. That's enough fooling around. I guess we're gonna go to Flatlands Coffee. Try out their brew. I don't know a whole lot about Flatlands Coffee. I've never been. It's kind of the point. Go up there and check them out. On their website, they don't say much about the store itself. I guess they brew their own coffee, which is a plus. Brew their own coffee. They roast their own beans, which is a plus in my book. And something about the process that they do, they said that their coffees are naturally sweet. So I'm going to check that out. I don't know what that means. I don't know if it's a different kind of bean they're buying or what they're talking about. They're probably injecting the beans with fluids of poison, man. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, we're going to go check them out. I didn't know they existed till this week. I was looking for places to go check coffee out. And that one popped up. Easy there, buddy. Bowling Green, Ohio, the home of BGSU. here we are. Right up here should be Main Street. I think the coffee shop is right around the corner. Who's got a $900 helmet?
We do. Like I said, $500 helmet. $900 helmet.
I hope it smells like coffee in here. What do I do with my glasses?
Go on your face.
Why can't I see? All right,
Open your
I'm
eyes. How's that? All better? Look at that picture.
Coffee guy.
Isn't that awesome? Take a picture of that picture.
That's really cool.
Isn't that awesome?
Okay.
If you have any questions about anything, feel free to ask.
What coffees do you do with the pour over?
Our menu is right here. We actually have quite a selection right now. We have 4 different ones, all from different regions, different flavor profiles.
Oh, of course it's sold out. The one I chose is sold out. I get
Oh, so sorry about that. That one was super popular. We just started selling it this week and we sold out so fast.
it. I'll bet. So what's another popular one then?
Definitely. Molimu is a really good one. It's a very bright profile. It's an Ethiopian coffee that we submitted in the Golden Bean Championship in Nashville this past fall and won with.
Okay.
So it's a really good one, really solid coffee.
I'll try that.
Yeah, awesome. Just gonna make one more.
Oh, you're fine. No hurry.
Right out.
Yep, no hurry.
How's your Sunday going?
Great. Got to ride bikes, so
Nice.
we're out on a motorcycle ride. Check out coffee shops.
Wow, I just told you something that we just sold out. I'm so sorry. We actually just sold out of the limit.
We have one off menu right now. It's called Igu Abaya, and it's also an Ethiopian coffee. It's
Very
pretty similar
bright
to
profile,
the
yeah.
So
Okay,
Sorry.
yeah, I'll try that.
I didn't even realize.
What are you getting?
Vanilla latte.
I got you.
Would you like that 12 or 16 ounce?
16.
And for here to go.
For here.
You say gallon size?
Yeah, gallon. Yeah, a gallon of coffee would be great.
That'd be
Thanks.
so great, right? Eat it. Alright, is that all for you?
What do you got here for some?
All blueberry lemon scone.
Do a blueberry lemon scone. Yeah, why not?
Alright. And then we will bring this out as soon as it's finished, and feel free to make yourself at home.
Okay. Thank you. Flatlands Coffee. Yeah, I'd recommend it. That was delicious. That was good coffee. I had a pour over the Igu Abaya, or Abaya. And then Tyler and Brent had lattes. They said they were fabulous and they would come back for more of those. We might have to do that. It was really good, nice environment. Not too noisy in there. It was a cool place. I'm guessing a lot of the college kids come in there and sit and study. It seemed like that's what was in there then. So, yeah, definitely recommend it. Good coffee, good environment, friendly. What more could you ask for in a coffee shop? Good coffee. I will come back. And Rob, he didn't have anything, which is per normal. He don't drink coffee. Says he doesn't drink coffee because he doesn't drink water, and there's water in coffee. That's not exactly true. That's not what he said. That's my interpretation of what he said. So that was exciting. I enjoyed it. Glad you came along for my little coffee trip. We're gonna head back home, and the word is on the street that it's got a strong headwind as we head south. So I'll end the video right here. Y'all have yourselves a great day. Be safe. I'll catch you on the next one.